to run ChemDraw using KnoxAnywhere. How would you go about doing that? Well, first we need to find KnoxAnywhere. So we're going to go to My Knox, we're going to log in, we're going to hit the help desk. Here we've got KnoxAnywhere. So we'll click that. Go ahead and pick your platform. I happen to be on a Mac. You might be on Windows. You might be on a mobile device. We're going to click this. It's going to pop up with the Google Doc with all of the instructions. You got to download Microsoft Remote Desktop. We got to configure it. Just follow the instructions here. Eventually, when we do that, it's going to bring up something like this. We're going to double-click ChemDraw. It's going to negotiate credentials and, I don't know, do various other things. We're going to sit here and wait for a little bit. We're going to keep waiting. We're going to negotiate some more credentials, etc. And, there we go. Splash screen, bam, it's loaded up. So here we go. We've got ChemDraw running. This is a remote desktop. Essentially what that means is this looks like I'm like running Windows here, sort of vaguely inside my Mac. Of course I'm not. This is actually running at a server somewhere, you know, in the basement of ITS. So here I am. I got ChemDraw up. I'm going to be like, hey, what the hell? Where's my toolbar? So I'm going to click this. I've got my toolbar. I'm going to draw some various, you know, molecules of things. Click this, click that. Oh my god! Where'd the toolbar go? I can't see it anymore. So, you know, it looks like you might be thinking, well, I got to click this every single time. Maybe I want to do one of these ones. Bam! Where's the toolbar? Oh crap. Turns out the toolbar's not going anywhere. It's just going behind the screen. And so up here, this is your maximize minimize button. If you click this and sort of like, you know, I don't know, well, maybe we can't resize it very easily. Anyway, there it is. There's your toolbar. It wasn't really going anywhere. Here we go. So we'll like resize this window, move the toolbar out maybe a little bit more, and then maybe we'll resize this window again. There we go. Now when we click on stuff like this, bam, bam, the toolbar doesn't go anywhere. It's still actually there, which is significantly better than what we, you know, were totally terrified it was doing before. So look, we can connect. I have no idea if any of these are like valid connections. I'm just randomly drawing pictures of, you know, does that make sense? I don't know. Here, we'll connect. We'll connect that to something. There we go. Look, see, check that out. Fantastic. Okay, so that's the mystery of what's going on. This toolbar keeps disappearing. It's not really disappearing. It's just going behind the window. So next thing, suppose I want to save this. So I don't want to save it onto some server in the basement of ITS. That's not going to help me. So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to say Save As. Now this menu is going to pop up. I'm going to be like, oh my god, look at all this stuff. No problem. Click this. You should have something like Home on, you know, and then the name of whatever your local computer is. I'm running this on my laptop, which for some reason is jspacko-4829.low. I have no idea. Anyway, if I click that and look at this, look, check this out. This is essentially all the junk that's on my hard drive. If I go over here and then that's not what I want. Well, that's not it either. Well, anyway, whatever. This is my local hard disk. So anything that I save, you know, well, let's call it untitled, and we'll put it just in sort of home. We click save. Now if we come over here, untitled, in home, there it is. There's the ChemDraw file. Now, of course, if I want to file save as, maybe I don't want to save it as a CDX. I want to save it as, what do we usually do, TIFFs for these? Let's do that. We'll save it as a TIFF. We'll put it in the same location. And then can't be reopened. You know what? That's okay. I'm cool with that. Let's see what we've got. Where are you? Yes. We'll open this up. See what this looks like. Bam! Look at that. There's my beautiful picture. So that's a couple of exciting things that we can do with this Microsoft Remote Desktop to get ChemDraw running. And I mean, another another note. So if we've got this thing here and this somehow gets hidden like behind, for example, that apparently if you just kind of click the background here, it'll bring this to the forward, which is kind of cool. So your toolbar's not actually going anywhere. Awesome. Thanks for watching.